Hello everyone, this is Professor Mutkule Pia. Today we are going to discuss an example on cyclic redundancy check. Okay. So this question is asked in previous exam of Pune University. What they ask, that is explain the working of CRC using following example. Means example they have given, what they have given, they have given the data bits, okay, as well as the general polynomial. Okay. So using this we have to explain the working of what CRC. Okay. So I'm just going to explain what, I'm just going to explain the example, how to solve this example. What they have given further, write the write redundant bits sent along with the data bits. Suppose the second bit from the left is inverted during transmission. Okay. Show the error detected at the receiver end. That means we have to show that error has been detected at the receiver end. So in order to solve this example, we have to convert this general polynomial form into the binary form. So the polynomial form is given as what? X cube plus x plus 1. If we want to convert this into the binary format, then we have to consider the coefficient of this polynomial. That means here the coefficient is what? 1 x cube plus 0 into x square plus 1 into x, that is x raised to 1 plus 1 into x raised to 0. Okay, 1 into what? X raised to 0. So this equation and this equation is same. Why we have converted this equation in this form? Because we want the coefficient. Why we want the coefficient? Because we want the binary conversion of this polynomial form. So if we represent this equation in the binary format, then it will give the value as what? 1 0 1 1. Okay. So 1 0 1 1 will be what? It is our length. Okay, length of the divisor. So this is what? This is the length of the divisor. So now I'm going to rub this and write the length of divisor here, that is 1011. Okay, length of divisor is 1011 and data bits we have already given, so we have to perform the division here. So how we will perform the division? So I am going to rub all the example. So how we will perform the division? So divisor is what? Divisor is 1011 1011 and the data bits given as what? Data bits given as, that is 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 0. So these data bits are given and we have to perform what? We have to perform the binary division. Now, before performing the binary division, we have to keep in mind the thing that what is the value of the divisor. So this is the value of the divisor. Okay. Now in the CRC, the value of the divisor is needed in order to redundant the bits. Okay, that means we have to append the bits at the end of this data bits. Okay, we have to append the bits at the end of this data bits. That means the length of the divisor is what? Length is equal to 4. Okay, so length minus 1 bits we have to append at the end of the database. Okay, so length minus 1 we have to append the that much bit we have to append at the end. That means we have to append what? 3 bits at the end. So our data bits will be what? We have to append the 3 zeros, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So now we will start performing the binary division. So before performing the binary division, I am just going to write the logical table, okay, of gates. That is, suppose this is A, so I am going to write here. This is A, this is B, this is output. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So in the case of the division, both the values are 0. If both the values are 0, then the output will be 0. If one value is 0 and other value is 1, then the output is 1. Again, if the one value is 0 and other value is 1, output is 1. And if both the values are 1, then output is what? Output is, sorry, output is what? 1. Sorry, not 1, that is 0. So this logical table will require by solving the example. Okay. So now let's start performing the logical division. So how we will perform it? That is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then what will be the value of this? That is, we have to take some extra bits here of the divisor. Okay, that means the length of the divisor is 4. Then we should maintain the 4 bits in the division also. So 1 and 1 for, if both the values are 1, then what is the output? Just look at the table. It is 0. If the value is 1, 0, then what is the output? 1. Value is 0, 1, then what is the output? 1, and both the values are 1, then the value that is output is 0. Okay. So now here the length of the divisor is what? We have to maintain the length of divisor as 4. Okay. So we have to take one bit from the data bits. That is, we have to take this bit. Okay, and again start division, that is 1, 0, 1, 1. It will give the result as what? If both the values are 1, then output is 0. For 1, 0, output is 1. For 0, 1, output is 1. For 1, 1, output is 0. Okay. Again, the bits are 3 here. We have to exclude these bits. Okay. We have to exclude this first bit because it is 0. Okay. So excluding these bits, the bits, that is length of the bit is 3. But mandatory condition is what? You have to maintain the length of the bits as 4. So again, take this one also. That is 1. Again 1, 0, 1, 1. So again solve this. That is, if both the values are 1, then output is 0. For 1, 0, 1. For 0, 1, that is 1. For 1, 1, that is 0. Okay. So again, we have to take this bit, that is 0. So again 1, 0, 1, 1. So both are 1, then output is 0. For 1, 0, 1. For 0, 1, 1. For 0, 1, that is 1. Again take this bit 1, all are 1. Okay. So as the length is 4, we have to maintain this condition. Again perform the operation, that is both the values are 1, then output is 0. For this that is 1, for this that is 0 and 0. So again take this one, 1 0 1 1. So both the values are 0, both the values are 0 0 1 and 0. Okay. So here only 2 bits are there, so we have to take the 2 bits. Okay, because we have to maintain the length as 4. So this is 0 and this again 1 0 1 1. So if we will solve further, then we'll get final value as, I'm going to rub this, we'll get the final value as, that is 1 1 0, then 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Okay. So our CRC is what? CRC is this value. Okay. That is cyclic redundancy code is what? 1 1 and 1. Okay. So in the question, what they have mentioned? They have mentioned as what? Suppose the second bit from the left is inverted during transmission. Okay. That is, we have to consider this stream of data bits. Second bit from the left, that is 1 2. So this bit we have to invert during the transmission. So if we invert this bit, then the data stream will be like 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, we have just inverted this bit, that is second bit from the left. Okay. Now using this data stream, and what was our divisor? That is divisor equal to what? 1 0 1 1. Okay, using this data stream and this divisor, we have to again perform the division, that is binary division. Okay, we have to again perform the binary division. So how it will be? That is 1 0 1 1, and data stream is what? 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay. So if we solve this as previous we did, then we'll get the final answer as what? Final CRC will get as 1 1 0. Okay, final CRC will get as what? 1 1 0. Okay, I am not going to solve this because it will take time. Final CRC is 1 1 0. So this CRC indicates that the remainder is what? The remainder is non-zero. Okay. So if the remainder is non-zero, then at the receiver end, it will be acknowledged that the data sent by the sender consists of some error. Why error? Because at the receiver end, the remainder is what? Non-zero. So receiver will simply request to the sender that you have to again send the data from the beginning. Okay? And that's what we wanted to prove. Okay. So hence, in this example, just what we did, we first calculate the CRC value without inversion of the bit, and then further we have inverted the bit and again solve the example. After that, we finally get the CRC value as non-zero, which indicates that the data received by the receiver is non-zero. That means it consists of some error. So this question is very important in the exam point of view. So keep in mind these things. So this is all for this video, and we'll discuss remaining things or next topic in next video. So thank you so much all of you.